Hi, Assalamualaikum and greetings. Welcome to 8th International Workshop UI GreenMetric World University Rankings. Today, I'm Madihah Mohd from Universiti Sains Islam Malaysia will present you on poster entitled USIM Smart University Blueprint Advances and Challenges. So, when you think about Smart University Blueprint, in our university, we introduce this blueprint, or we know it as Al-Jami'ah Al-Mubarakah, which consists of 5 clusters and 13 initiatives. These include smart governance, smart enough, or we know it as smart lifestyle, smart infrastructure, smart learning, and smart services. The underlying concept is based on 7 principles from USIM ICT Strategic Plan ISP 2021 and 2025, which we already developed. It is also based on Maqasid Syariah, which is based on Islamic laws concept, industrial revolutions, student-centric, data-driven, open source, agile and mobility, and consumerism. With this blueprint, the operations of the university is upheld to its most, and the students continue their studies without any delay or obstructions. This blueprint has successfully fostered USIM transformation in learning and education for sustainability, especially during the post-pandemic time. As you can see on the screen with poster, those are the clusters that we have developed inside our smart universities. So when you're saying about the smart university, of course, there are a few challenges that we face during the academic and also during the post-pandemic. There are 5 phases involved for the smart university development. On top of that, we do understand that the demand to have, apart from what we have introduced inside those clusters, 5 clusters, one of the main, I will say one of the characters inside the smart university is the dashboard, where everything being centralized and visualized, which includes financial sustainability, USIMED media, research and publications, graded employability, and community engagement. So what are the challenges? Okay, what are the challenges for the smart university? First, in terms of the volume and broader data scope. Secondly, in terms of the semi-automatic work and not centralized. So this is another issue that we are facing. I think most of the other organizations are also having the same problem, where we are moving from the traditional way to digitalization and integrated with the digital transformations. And the third one, the challenges on the data entry and data quality. And fourth is the data demand from stakeholders. So when you're saying about this smart university, there are a few things that we have to bear in mind. In smart university, based on our 5 clusters and 13 initiatives, what we can conclude from the smart university is with these strategic plans or with these clusters and initiatives that we have planned for the next few years, it can be concluded that in terms of operationals and managements, there's a demand for data analytic and visualization integration as well. This is very significant because when we're talking about data, there are so many data need to be processed, and there are also demand from the stakeholders. Secondly, what I can conclude from the smart university, apart from what we have introduced earlier, is about the data-driven organization. So as I mentioned earlier, everything nowadays is about the data. So as a result, for that, I would say the demand for the data, we introduce this smart university to ensure that the operation will go smoothly. Last but not least, with the integration of those, I would say, the principles under our smart university, we hope that our university will operate at the highest capacity and operate it in a manner. And last but not least, we will hope that with the smart university, we will fulfill stakeholder expectation, and which includes the student as well in their teaching, in their learnings. With that, thank you very much for listening. Nice to meet all of you. I hope that you enjoy this workshop. Thank you.